Chapter 1 The Fish Tale. In our previous session, we discussed about comparison of numbers. Now, in this session, we will discuss about ascending and descending orders of numbers. How to arrange numbers in ascending order and descending order. You have learnt about ascending and descending order in previous classes. In this chapter, we will learn how to arrange large numbers in ascending and descending orders. As you all know, the arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest is called ascending order. What is ascending order? The arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Here we have example. Here the numbers are arranged in ascending order. 1, then the next bigger number 2, then 3, and then 4. Now what is descending order? The arrangement of numbers from the greatest to the smallest is called descending order. Descending order means the arrangement of numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Here we have one example. 4, the greatest number in the group, then 3, then 2, and then 1. These numbers are arranged in descending order. Let's have some more examples of large numbers. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Here we have 4 numbers: 5392, 5782, 5789, and 5654. The rules of comparison can be applied here also. We have learned how to compare two numbers. Those rules can be applied here. Here all the numbers are of same numbers of digit. All the numbers have 4 digits. And extreme left digit is also same. That is 5. So we need to look at the second extreme number. In 5782 we have 7, and in 5789 we have 7. By observing second digit from the left side, we can easily know which is the greater number and which is the smaller number. Here we have 5782 and 5789. Here second digit is same, 7. Then third number we have 5654 and 5392. So obviously 5392 is the smallest number in this group. Then the second smallest number is 5654. Now we have to decide from these two numbers, 5782 and 5789, which one is bigger? For that we will check third digit. Third digit is also same in both the numbers. So go for the fourth digit from the left. In 5782 it is 2, and in 5789 it is 9. So the number with digit 9 at unit place will be greater. The number having 2 at its unit place will be smaller. So we can write these numbers in ascending and descending order. The descending order is 5789, 5782, 5654 and 5392. To find out the ascending order, write these numbers in reverse process. Last number first and first number last, so that you will be able to get ascending orders of the numbers of this group. Let's understand how to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order practically. In your workbook, question 9 is arrange the numbers in ascending order. If you wish to arrange the numbers in ascending order, first of all, check the number of digits in each number. In this number of digit is 7. Here also 7 digits are there. Here 6 digits are there. And here 7. So 6 digit number will be the smallest one. We will write this number first. 9,78,972. We have written this number. Now let's go for these 3 numbers. All these 3 numbers have same number of digits, 7 digits. So what we will do? We will check the extreme left digit, first digit, 555. That is also same. So go for the second left number, 777. Both the numbers are same, 5 and 7. Then go for the third left digit, 9, 7 and 8. Which is the smallest number? 7. So we will write this number in the second position, 57,70,008. Now we have written this number. Now we will go for these 2 numbers. Third digit is 9 and here 8. So we will write this number first, 57,80,008. And then at last 57,98,454. In this way you can arrange the numbers in ascending order. Try doing this too. Now let's arrange the numbers in descending order. The reverse order of ascending order. As we did in this question, first of all check the number of digits in each number. 7 digits and 7 digits. So we will check the first digit from the left, 2, 2, 2. That is same. Second digit is 5, 5 and 5. That is also same. So we will go for the third digit from left, 6, 6, 6. Third digit is also same. So we will go for the fourth digit, 4, 3 and 9. Which is the biggest number, 4, 3 or 9? Yes, 9. So we will write this number first, 25,69,850. After that we will check the digits of this 2. Here fourth digit is 4 and here it is 3. So 4 is bigger. So we will write this number at second position, 25,64,507. And at last 25,63,201. Here I have done these lines so that you will not have confusion. You don't need to draw these lines. If you wish, you can. Try doing B and C.